So this is the setup. This is actually the Harbor Freight bead roller, but it has the Eastwood motor on it. And interestingly, years ago, we reinforced this bead roller with these heavy-duty angle irons that are underneath the new gray angle irons that provide an extension to allow us to pin this thing and roll in a circle. So here's how we do it. I do have to put a bit of tension inwards because the aluminum dies that we made have a tendency to spit it out. And a few thousandths of an inch can be a bit of difference. So after we go around here once, we increase the pressure. And here, get down here and take a look at the gullet. So now we're going to squeeze her down for another roll around. And here we go. And we're just going to continue to go around until we get the full profile in.